Hello, this is Hamim. Today I will show you actually how you can find entities for your SEO content. It could be blog, it could be service page, or any other or any kind of web page. Okay, this is very easy and very quick way to find entities. And at the end of this video, I have a surprise for you. So let's deep dive into this video. For following this method, first of all you have to go to Wikipedia. You can ask me why I should go here. Let me break down. First of all, search. After getting here, search on your related or top related exact seed keywords. Like if you wanna if you're working on air conditioner company with optimizing website there, search on air conditioner or air conditioning. After getting here, let's say they are providing air conditioner installation, air conditioner repair. Search on air conditioning, just seed keywords. After searching, if you find, you could find a related article, just click on here and you will find an article like this. Any kind of topic you you should write a content. Okay, heat pump air conditioner account which are blue, I mean internally linked in another article of their web page. I mean in Wikipedia. These all are actually entities, but we don't know which are entities or which are not that much. So for that reason, first of all, we have to copy full of this content. I did copy, then paste it in cloud.google.com natural language on this section. Try the API. Okay, after paste it here, you should let's say paste it here, then analyze it here. After analyzing it, as you can see, they are showing entities, all bracketed and colored words are entities like article, cooling, air, carpet air, album, air conditioning. These all are actually entities. Now sentiment, what is actually sentiment? Sentiment means if we used sentiment word in our sentence, there are much possibility to rank on Google or any other LLM models. Okay, these are sentiment. Don't need to understand this much more. Categories, what is categories? Categories means if you wanna create on a page based on air conditioner, they actually provide you a little bit information how actually how should your structure be. Okay, like first of all you have to page a home or garden page, then under this page you have to create another page, HVAC and climate control, then page the main, this main page, air conditioners. Okay, this is the they're showing. It's up to you actually how you will structure your URL. After analyzing it, just this copy all of this from here and then paste in this article. This is a magic article, just paste it in this section. Okay, I pasted it here. After just pasting it, as you can see, all entities are extracted here. Okay, all entities are restricted here. That's the thing, very easy. After extracting all of the entities, just manually checked which are related to your topics, which are unnecessary, or which are very important topic, I mean entities. Just checked it, and all unnecessary, if you find any unnecessary entities, just remove it here from here. Okay, by following this method you can find entities any kind of for any kind of topics. This is the first thing. And there are another way to find entities, that if I wanna if I, let's say my topic is air conditioner, so search on Google air conditioner, then go to image, and there are, as you can see, there is something like window, room, portable, wall. These all are also count as entities. just copy it from here, all of these words, then paste it in your sheet. Okay, these are also entities. Now the thing is that after collecting all of entities, let's say these all are my entities, copy this and just go to ChatGPT. These are actually, I'm not showing how actually write content, I just showing the process. So I just write a basic prompt. Let's say I will prompt ChatGPT that based on these entities, write me a short content. Okay, please don't count it's a prompt, I'm just showing the process. So I rather short content, just a basic prompt, so that I can show you the process real quick. And I did copy it from here, then paste it the content here. This is the first, this is the next step. After doing this, as you prompted ChatGPT that used these all entities, but you and I don't know how many entities and how many times they used in our content. But it's also impossible, also impossible or possible, but will take huge time that manually checking how many entities they are using. Okay, they used in our content, I mean LLM or ChatGPT. For checking it real quick, go to extension and click SEO notebook, then click start. After doing this, paste all of your entities here, then click go, and then it will show you how many times which entities uh, been used in your content. Like this used one, cooling used four times, your used 6 times, and these are showing that how many times which entities you used in your content. This is a very easy and a very fast way to check your entities. Then there are many entities we didn't use still in our content. That means ChatGPT didn't use in their content. So if you wanna add also these entities in your content, you should just follow this method. Let's say I am finding a relation abbreviation contextually after this word buildings. Okay, just click on abbreviation, it automatically add in this section. Okay, as you can see it added. If I wanna add China as contextually, not forcefully, please don't use any word forcefully, it will flag rather. After then, yeah, if I want to add China entities after impact contextually, just click on China. Okay, it will automatically add here. Okay, there's an easy process. And after following all of this method, if let's say you wrote a content, then you wanna check, Google also indexed your content, but after indexing this content, you wanna check again how many entities percentage, how percentage I used entities in my content. Okay, just follow this method. For for as instance, let's say I took this page, this page conditioner installation. Let's say I took this page as instance. Okay, copy. It could be your page or your client page. Just in follow, just copy the link and then paste it here. Okay, based on the this tool. This is an entity checker. If you search on Google like entity checker, actually I will provide every information, everything on description box. If you watch this video from YouTube. It will analyze your page, and this is a page, this showing that you use 25% entities on your content. That means this website's web page used 25% of entities. So this is a great, okay, that means green signal. And also there are some missing entities: city, installation, rent. Well, you can also add your content after writing, I mean optimize for optimizing. Okay, this is the steps. And the thing is that if you want to have this sheet, please let me know and comment sheet on YouTube. Or if you want to watch this video from LinkedIn, please just comment on comment box, just word sheet. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Till then, stay healthy and stay well.